And welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to be riding the Lyric Graffiti X, as you see it right there. So let's hop on and I'll tell you what we're going to talk about on this video. So I recently was watching a video from a fellow YouTuber that I watch all the time. His name is Russ is Right. You have probably heard of him if you haven't seen his videos, but anyway, he was doing a video. He has a couple of channels, Russ is Right and More From Russ, and on his More From Russ channel he was talking about an e-bike package that he had received from FedEx with a damaged box. So it got me thinking about that, and because I've got a bike coming too from FedEx, and it got me thinking about my deliveries in the past. And you know, I've been pretty lucky. My boxes have been pretty good. I've had some scratches and rips in the boxes, but the contents inside have been pretty good. So I haven't really had an issue, but there's been some real stories of people having damaged bikes, and some of them damaged pretty good, right? So it got me thinking about doing a video on this, because I'm always looking for topics, what to talk about and stuff, right? And so I thought this would be a good one. And so first of all, in the comments, let me know if you've had any horror stories with e-bike deliveries and stuff like that, and how you've made out with your e-bike deliveries. Whether it's FedEx, you can let us know which company you've had success or not so good success with. But so is it the bike company's fault, or is it the delivery company's fault for mishandling the bike? Are they rough with it, or is it the bike company for not packaging it good enough, or is it a combination of both? Which sometimes it's that, right? But so I did a little bit of digging to see, well, what company is getting the most complaints. Like from what I gathered on Google, and it was electric e-bikes, if you can believe it. But I think we have to throw a lifeline a little bit to electric, and I'll tell you why. It's because I think they're selling more bikes than anyone, and so yeah, they're probably going to get more feedback from anyone else, or from many people, because they're selling more bikes than anybody else. So that's totally understandable. But so I did a little digging into it. A couple of other companies that I saw that were getting dinged a little bit, negative remarks, was Magicycle and Juiced Bikes, who are no longer. They've had some pretty good comments. That was in the last year before they went under. And there was another company I think in there too, but so I dug a little deeper into the electric. I even sent them an email, but at the time of recording this video I haven't heard back from them. So I just wanted to ask them about their deliveries and stuff, and you know, can they make a customer feel comfortable purchasing a bike from them. And so if you've bought a bike from electric, let me know the quality of your delivery and the packaging, because my friend Keith back in Oregon, he got two bikes. He got the XP Lite 2.0 and the XP 3.0, and I don't remember him ever saying that the packaging or the delivery was in any way a problem. So yeah, I'd be interested to hear from you, especially if you bought a Lyric or a electric bike. Let me know how you made out with your bike. Was it in good shape package-wise when you got the delivery? You know, there's nothing worse than spending $1,500 or $2,000 on a bike and then having it come back damaged, package and maybe damage of the bike. So I looked, like I was saying earlier though, I looked a little further into the electric thing, and it seems like the most complaining, now this must have been on their earlier Trike, or the first one that just came out, the electric 2, Trike 2, because the 750 watt one just came out now, so there wouldn't be enough time for a lot of reviews on that, I don't think. But anyway, they were complaining particularly about the Trike and having axle and wheel damage. So if you've bought a Trike from electric, let me know if your bike came damaged or anything, or was it no problem? You know, it came in good shape, packaging was all fine. Turn right here. Yeah, I mean, I think I still trust electric because they've sold so many bikes that, you know, you're bound to have issues here and there. There's no way you can have everything just run. If you're shipping out thousands of bikes, there's no way you can have every single bike arrive perfect, you know. And I have seen, I gotta say this, one of my bikes, and I forgot to mention this, I can't remember which bike it was. It might have even, no, it wasn't this one, because this one wasn't delivered by FedEx, but one of my bikes was roughed up, because I saw the guy taking it off the truck, out the window, because I could hear commotion outside. I looked out my window and there was FedEx, you know, coming with the delivery, and they were basically turning end over end the bike to get it to the door instead of lifting it up. I don't remember which bike it was now, but I didn't like seeing that. So yeah, I have seen firsthand, just there, like that example, where they do not handle the bike. I don't want to go there. They do not handle the bike, at least in that instance, with care. Okay, I want to turn around and go this way. No, I want to go the same way. All right, because I'm going to end the video up here. So, yeah, let me know if maybe you've seen firsthand how your bike was being handled by the delivery company, be it FedEx. Most bikes, I think, are being delivered by FedEx or UP or US, not US, but UPS. But sometimes not. But for the most part, it's those two companies handling a lot of the bikes, unless you buy it off Amazon. Then you might have Amazon themselves delivering. I don't know. I've never purchased a bike off Amazon, so I don't know how they deliver, but they do have their own delivery trucks, so I assume they deliver the bikes themselves. And hey, yeah, maybe let me know how Amazon handles bike delivery if you've had bikes delivered from them. Have you got them damaged, or have they been fine? No problem. So let us know in the comments your experiences with getting an e-bike delivered, damaged or not damaged. So that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell, or just hit that subscribe the button. That's what I want to say. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other video, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.